Hello, I'm Antonia Merced, one of Nairobi Professional's master cosmetologists, and today we're going to be working on Nairobi's Moisture Replenishing Hair Relaxer. And I'm going to introduce you to Nairobi Professional's Introductory Kit Plus. Let's go. This is my lovely model, Erica, and we're going to go in today and we're going to give her a relaxer. As you can see that it's been a couple of months since she came in and got a relaxer. You can see that her deep curl is here. Our first step is our Nairobi Comfort Zone. We're going to take this and we're going to apply it through the whole entire scalp for protection from the relaxer. I'm going to start around her ears, around her face. Okay, so the Comfort Zone gel base keeps my client comfortable while she's being relaxed. It also will give you a nice, soft finishing sheen for your ending results. Okay, so next we're gonna go in with our Nairobi Replenishing Moisture Relaxer. Make sure you have your gloves near. Okay, Erica, we're gonna take her hair and we're gonna part it in 4 sections. And I'm going to outline all 4 of these little squares that I made in her hair with the relaxer. Just a nice little outline. Remember, when you're doing a relaxer, you want to always move quickly and precise. So I have all 4 of my corners applicated. So I'm going to start with the back right. I'm going to lift it all up. Application a little cleaner. Okay, so I have my client fully saturated, okay? But another thing I do to make sure that I got every single strand of hair with relaxer applied to it, I go through it again with diagonal parts, all right? So I'm gonna start all the way over. And I'm gonna make sure that I am saturating the hair that has not been touched yet with relaxer. As you can see right here, look, completely missed it. So when you go back in with your diagonal partings, you can make sure that everything is saturated and you have a relaxer that will work well, giving you maximum results, taking your time, but also moving quickly. Now, as you see, a little bit may touch the scalp, but that's okay. And you wanna know why? Because I base the hair with Nairobi Comfort Zone. I'm gonna go in with a little pull with the comb, making sure everything is smooth, and you will always get maximum results using Nairobi Professional. So beautiful. You can already see the shine in her hair.
When rinsing out the hair, you have to make sure the relaxer is rinsed out completely. The water runs clear without any bubbles.
I'm gonna go in with my Nairobi Normalizing Shampoo to normalize and get that pH back down. I'm gonna shampoo that twice with my normalizing. And then after that, I'm gonna shampoo it with my exquisite hydrating detangling shampoo. One thing I like about our Nairobi Normalizing Shampoo is that when you're shampooing the hair, it will turn pink if you don't have all that relaxer out. All right? So as you can tell, looking at my client, it has a small hue of pink, but not too powerful. And that's because I took my time with rinsing my client's hair out. All right, I'm gonna go in with my second shampoo of the Normalizing. All right, so my second shampoo will be my Nairobi Exquisite Detangling Shampoo. All right, so now we're gonna come in with the conditioner. We have two to choose from, our Nairobi Pro-Sil or our Humecta-Sil. Now I'm gonna pick the Pro-Sil because my client came in with a little damage at the ends of her hair and I wanna reconstruct that. So we're gonna go in with the Pro-Sil. All right, so now we have the hair ready. She's just been relaxed. Oh my gosh, do y'all see that? Look how silky and smooth that looks. Oh, love it. Now we're gonna go in with our soft and finished leave-in. All right, I'm gonna put it through her hair. And after I'm finished putting it through her hair, I'm gonna comb it in. I'm gonna give her a nice pretty part where my client desires her part. You have the option to use Nairobi Texturizing Styling Lotion. If your client comes in and she wants a firmer roller set, this is the product to use. If not, go ahead and use Nairobi Wrap-it Foaming Lotion, what we're using today. We're gonna go in using our Nairobi Wrap-it Foaming Lotion to create our part. She wants her part here. We're gonna go ahead and do our edges, lay it down nicely and smooth. And we're gonna create that direction on where we want the hair to move towards. See, we want the hair to move towards her face. Now the reason why I'm blowing again, I want to create that curvature where this hair is going to go, because sometimes when you get a relaxer and you mend it, it gets stuck. And we don't want her hair to get stuck. So we're going to create that movement so it can have that body and flow. Now again, as you can tell, this client has very, very curly hair. Very curly hair. This relaxer smoothed it out all the way. We're going to set her off with a round brush technique and a silk press. Okay, so this is the results after we have applied the relaxer, we've shampooed it and blowed it out. Look at this sheen in her hair. Oh, it's fabulous. Okay, so next we're gonna flat iron her hair. We're gonna trim it up, give her a nice trim, because as you can see, she has some split ends, some hair that could be trimmed off. Okay, so next we're gonna start off with our Sheer Shine, our thermal protectant. We're gonna spray this all around her hair, and then we're gonna flat iron it in. The hair is beautiful, and it's also all wrapped around this part that we gave her. Oh, so it's gonna fall so nicely when you create your part before you blow it out. It's That's one of my tricks that I do. Gives me great results every time. You guys, this is the relaxer. We just finished doing the relaxer, and we are now putting some heat to it. And look at that. I just want to show you guys the difference. From me flat ironing it and not. Wow. Results always excellent.
My hair really looks good. If you look at the difference between this and what you flat ironed, it already looks like it's flat ironed with the products that you've used.
Thank you. Well, hey, if your stylist is using this, you're always going to get best results using Nairobi Professional.
Really, an amazing job.
Thank you. Okay, so we just came in and flat ironed her hair. So silky, beautiful, as you can see. She has little flyaways before I cut her hair. We'll give her a nice little trim, and we're gonna use the Nairobi shaping hoe. Mold it all down. Nice little mold. As you can see, all those little flyaways are gone. Now we're gonna go in, give her a nice trim, comb it all down. All right, I'm gonna start the other side. I'm gonna cut her fringe last. All right, so now we're gonna go into the fringe area. I'm gonna do it all diagonal so it can always frame her beautiful face. All right, so we have finished with Erica. We gave her a nice, beautiful trim. We flat ironed it. So now I'm gonna go back in with one of my titanium flat irons. I'm gonna add a little bit of body to it to give her more movement, more bounce, more shape to her face to really bring it in and style it out. And then we're gonna hit it with some Gleam Sheen Nairobi, and voila, we'll be finished. So we added the body back into the hair. All this movement. Look at her. She looks gorgeous.